Our compensation and pension exam simulator offers realistic practice scenarios to enhance your preparation. By simulating the exam environment, you gain confidence and improve communication skills. Personalized feedback helps identify areas for improvement, ensuring you are well prepared for this pivotal moment in your benefits journey. Compensation and pension exams are pivotal in determining the acceptance of your claim. Effective communication is essential. Poor articulation can lead to lower ratings. Utilizing our simulator can significantly enhance your preparation, ensuring you present your case clearly and confidently, maximizing your chances for a favorable outcome. Veterans often face uncertainty during compensation and pension exams, entering unprepared for specific questions. This lack of preparation can lead to understating symptoms, which works against them. Anxiety further complicates communication, resulting in valid symptoms not being properly documented. Addressing these issues is crucial for accurate evaluations and ensuring veterans receive the benefits they deserve. Our AI coach simulates real Veterans Affairs examiner questions, offering authentic practice. Engage with an interactive avatar to practice verbal responses, building confidence. Receive instant feedback to refine your answers. Guided learning helps you understand what examiners seek for your specific condition, ensuring you present your symptoms accurately and effectively. Avoid vague statements like, "I'm fine most days." Instead, articulate how symptoms affect daily life, such as, "My symptoms affect me daily." Highlight specific impacts, like pain impacts my ability to work. Our simulator guides you in phrasing responses effectively, ensuring clarity and strength in your claim. Mastering emotion management is crucial during high-stress questioning. Techniques to stay calm and communicate clearly can enhance your ability to describe your disability's impact. Strengthen memory recall to ensure you convey your condition's history accurately. Confidence grows with practice and feedback, empowering you to present your case effectively. Select simulations tailored to your specific claims. Our system customizes questions to align with your medical history and claim type, ensuring relevance and precision. This personalized approach enhances your preparation by focusing on the nuances of your condition, providing a more effective and targeted practice experience. Receive immediate, actionable feedback after each simulation. Track your progress over time to see tangible improvements. Identify weak areas through gap analysis, and receive personalized tips for enhancement. Review your performance score and get specific recommendations to refine your approach, ensuring you're fully prepared for your real exam. James R., an Army veteran, increased his rating from 30% to 70% by practicing with the simulator, gaining clarity on his responses. Maria S., an Air Force veteran, found calm and focus, leading to her anxiety claim approval. Derek T., a Marine veteran, was fully prepared, achieving his full disability rating on the first attempt. Utilize our simulator to rehearse for your specific conditions, refining your responses through feedback. Approach your compensation and pension exam with confidence, articulating your symptoms clearly. This preparation can lead to improved documentation and potentially higher disability ratings. Begin your journey to enhanced benefits with the confidence our simulator provides. Create an account with a quick sign-up process. Select your specific conditions to tailor the experience to your claims. Engage in unlimited practice sessions to simulate your compensation and pension exam. Gain the confidence needed to ensure your benefits accurately reflect your service. Your preparation today secures your deserved benefits.